giveaway number 40 right now. We're giving away 3 Escalades. .32 gang, what's good, man? It's your boy CJ on 32s, and I'm back with another giveaway, guys. And we headed over to the shop right now. It's time to get these winners. They 3 cars, get them out my shop so I can get things organized, get y'all an update on this other car I was supposed to get. I might not get it because the guy I was getting it from, it's not like original like these. The guy I was getting it from, it had wheels on it, and then it didn't have like the air dam in the front, and the air dam like $5,000, right? So the closer I zoomed in on the picture, I had to ask him, like, man, bro, did you cut the car? He was like, it was cut before he got it. So I don't want nobody car that's already been cut, you know what I'm saying? That's a red flag right there. So I got another option where I can get another silver hearse with T-tops, but I'm really stuck on getting that black one. So I'ma just sit back and see what else come up. Push worst case scenario, I might get the silver one, but the silver one I got with the extra roof, it gotta go. So I'm gonna just get everything on that touched up under the hood, get the 307 all freshened up, and cause I think it gotta have like an oil leak. That's all I smell is oil, but I ain't seen none on the ground, so it's burning oil. So I'm gonna get that fixed up and get it tubbed for the 24s, and yep, figure out when I want to add it to a giveaway or something down the line, you know, just like with the Monty. But I'm gonna enjoy the Monty a little bit because I really haven't got to get out in the summertime, so I want to have an old school to ride in the summertime. I don't want to stock old school, and the Monty just looks so good. So now it's like I'm buying cars to do giveaways, but then I get them and it's like, oh, I'm keeping this one, so I just got a lot of shit that I'm keeping. But we're gonna see how everything play out, because I'm supposed to be getting another 442, but I'm gonna get one anyways, guys, because when it's time to finish mine, I gotta get another one. So I'm just gonna swap every piece from the clean one onto mine. It might sound crazy and it's kind of like a waste of money, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I gotta get my shit back together, and that way it'll make the job easier for them, and it'll make the stress less for me. So that's what it is. If you haven't already, make sure y'all enter a giveaway. Number 40 is live and active. 3 Escalades, 4th car reveal, which y'all already know what it is, but the 4th car is gonna come like in the middle. It's not gonna run the whole giveaway, but if you enter the giveaway at the beginning, it don't even matter when you enter, you're still eligible for all 4 cars. So, you know, you never know, I might do a surprise attack. I might add a 5th car. This giveaway number 40, we gotta do it big, guys. Go big or go home. I'm finna go over here to the 32 gang clubhouse first and make sure everything good with these cars, man. Make sure, you know, y'all know the Benz start right up, the yours start right up, but the BMW has just been sitting so long, it don't start right up. So I want to get it jumped, get it running and everything, make sure that they good. And somebody asking, Al said one of them can keep one of their cars at his shop because they don't want to drive it back, they want to send it back on a flatbed or tow truck or however they want to send it back. We're gonna see, we're gonna find out all that information because everybody here. But I gotta do one thing, I gotta run to my shop, and then I'm gonna walk back over here to Al's. Sersky. Al didn't come in today. Shout out to my boy Off-Road Al though, man. I definitely appreciate you, Al, for everything that you do for me, gang. I appreciate it, for real. Like, he be going out his way to make sure I'm good, even when he don't want to. So definitely appreciate you for everything, because I was still out over here working, and he took the wheel to my house and put the wheel back on the McLaren. Just the small shit, man. It don't go unnoticed. So I appreciate you, Al, and also our worker over there. I don't even remember his damn name, and he been with us a long time. I don't remember his name because shit, I don't understand nothing he's saying when he tell it to me. Yup, and Miguel got a back place full of cars. Business booming over here for Miguel. Oh, look at Jess. And I see Pawn Shop Jerry over there. What's good?
He was just talking to me right now.
Who, Pawn Shop?
Yeah.
Where he at?
He's over there with the winners.
Oh, he is?
Yeah.
That's crazy. It do get crazy.
Him and Will came and helped me out.
Oh, straight up.
Yeah, because I had to hold on to the thing. Jerry had to hold on to the thing, Majigga, and then.
Your dad told you what to do? Or he wasn't here?
He just opened the door.
Your dad, right?
Yeah, my dad.
Yeah, he know how.
Yeah, he just opened the door for us and just let
It's
us.
running, right?
Yeah, it's running.
Well, we just gonna keep the Benz cool. It's just the BMW. You know that won't be dying. But I'm finna walk over here and get the winners right now. Finna move this tow truck and it's showtime. What you doing? Million cars? Get that ass to work before you get fired.
He came in here almost drunk, so he left home.
One of y'all workers?
Yeah.
Oh, they ass been partying, gang.
He's been partying for like 2 days now.
Straight up?
Yeah, he came yesterday with like a shirt, like, dang, he went to the club or something.
Yeah, his ass is fired.
Yeah, so my dad right now, he's like pissed off. I'm just like, I ain't trying to deal with you. Like, let me hurry up. But I already watched like 9 cars. This is my 10th, I think.
All right, keep grinding then, because I'm about to get to it.
All right.
All right.
All right, you need me? Let me know.
I'll let you know. I don't want you to get fired. Work for your pops right now. We'll see what you done. All right. All right, guys. Move this tow truck. It's time, man. It's time to go over here, meet these winners, and I want to see that first place winner. He was going crazy, so I can't wait to walk in the shop and see his reaction. It's that time, guys. We done walked over here. It's time to see these winners, man. See what's up. I hear some laughing and shit going on. I see a little head in this truck right here, peeking up. I see like 3 motherfuckers in this truck, peeking their heads up. Yes, sir. It's gonna go down, 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 down. Get out them phones, man. I don't know who that is. Get your ass. What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? What's up, bro? Chilling, chilling, chilling. What's up? And what? What up? What up, man? We got Pawn Shop Jerry in the building. What's up? What's up? What's up? What up? What up? What up?
What's going on?
What up? What up? Now who got what?
Alright, man. I want a Mercedes.
Mercedes. BMW. Oh, you got the lamb chops?
Yeah.
Okay, we got a YN getting the lamb chops. How old you is?
I'm 27.
27, man. Y'all ready?
3, man. Ready.
Yeah, let's get up out of here. Let's go. Look at Jerry, man. What you doing?
Will camera.
What's up? What's up, man? Y'all ready or what?
Hell yeah.
Hey, this dude was going crazy right here. Little bro ass was OC. Bro got him a lamb chop. So who driving back and who ain't? You transported, cause you need to keep your car an extra day, right? Here or y'all got it? Okay. 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 So y'all taking it to his house, not keeping it without. All right, bet, perfect. My boy, what's up? Shit. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, it's time, man. Time to get these cars up out of here. Took the plane?
I flew.
You flew?
Drove.
You drove?
Yeah.
How long it took you?
8 hours.
Jeez. It's going down. Y'all had to wait what? It's almost been a week. You been
Exactly a week.
You been sleeping, nigga? You been sleeping?
I've been sleeping.
Yeah.
Very little. Not last night. Last night I ain't really get too much sleep. I couldn't, man. I ain't even sleep last night.
So how you coming? You keeping it or selling?
I'm probably, it just depends how it turned out.
Not sure yet, man.
We ain't made up our mind yet, so. Damn, I'm probably gonna sell. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it real. I won't keep it, but
Gonna go get that bag, huh? Go buy you something else.
if it's meant for me to have it, I'll get it again. Damn, I'm sick.
You driving? Y'all driving back, right?
Yeah. This is crazy. Damn.
All right, guys. Gonna be my first winner, cause he in the first garage. Gotta do with that Lambo key. I got shit all over the place. Y'all know I'm always super unorganized. Somebody asked me yesterday, like, man, how do you do it, bro? I just do it. I don't think about it. I just go with the flow. I just do it. That's it. Y'all ready, man?
Oh, man, I'm trying to prepare myself.
Bro, got him a Lambo.
Damn,
Got you a Benz, BMW. Shit. Wait, y'all brought people with y'all? Because it got stocks too, so.
Yeah. Ain't no way.
Yeah.
Ain't no way. Damn, it's nice.
All right, we're gonna stop here first, because the other two cars, if y'all been watching, y'all know them got space, so yours first, and then we're gonna go down there with them. Jerry, you want to go on the inside and lift up the garage for him? Uh-oh. Little bro turn. Reality gonna set in though once they get to the title and shit. Where you at, man? That's you, bro. Go in there, nigga. You don't gotta be scared. You gotta get on the driving side,
Oh, man. We in a double, baby. Ain't no way, dog. Dude, wow. From CJ on 32s.
You got see the stars in the roof up there?
No, I ain't even. Oh, shit. Double roof. Hell no. Is it going up? Yeah.
What y'all think about it? You with him, right?
Huh?
You with him?
Yeah, I'm his mom.
Go
I
ahead.
am speechless. I'm so happy for him. He deserves it.
Are you gonna be the one that drives to him?
He's gonna drive it.
Taking turns?
I'm scared. I don't want to do it.
It's just
But
like
it's
any other
really,
car.
really nice. I'm so happy for him. I'm so happy. Thank y'all so much.
Yes, yes.
Let's go. Yeah. Brand new lamb, you feel me? And I'm 27 years old. Yeah, lamb chop. Going to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Shout out to my guy CJ on 32. You feel me? Oh, I feel like yeah. Smoke CJ?
They floating. The floating caps. Floating caps, gang. They float while you drive. All right, where my other two winners at, man? Let's get to it. Let bro figure shit out over there because he sure don't know what he's doing. Y'all ready with my other two winners? Let's get it.
Those two.
Hey, keys in these?
Yes, sir. Step back for a minute.
They ready.
Right.
Y'all ready?
Ready, man. Ready.
Ready?
Let's do it.
Y'all ready?
Come on, man.
Two piece. You the Benz, ain't you? You got that Benz? That's how you covered?
There's this go, bro. There she go.
That's how you covered, gang?
That's them shits that you want.
Yeah.
That's them shits that you wanted, little bro. That's them shits that you wanted, G.
Bro, if I was the one for the place, bro, I'll still with
That's the shits that you wanted.
Keys in here?
Yes. They should be in there.
you. I cannot believe it.
They gave it to you, yeah? Man, that's crazy.
Oh no, she got
Man, that's crazy.
Jessica, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, man, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Hey, guy. Tell me what you think about it.
Bro, I'm
How you
shocked,
feeling?
bro. I love the car, bro. My mind is blown right now, but like, I'm still in disbelief. I can't believe it.
Yes, yes. We got the best one here. This is
Man.
nice. It's nice off the
I can't
tip.
believe this.
My boy. Hey, your shit newer than mine. You got 21. Hey, you want to back it out or you want me to back it out? We're going to go right back there by bro. Go ahead, man. You got it.
Oh,
got you.
cut, bro.
Hold up for a minute. probably don't know how to get in gear. You know how to get in gear?
What else supposed to do?
Can't see him now. All you guys need to learn how to drive the cars and put them in gear. It's easy.
Hey, Marty.
Damn.
Marty. He on your ass. Marty, he on your ass.
The nastiest when you hit the gas on that.
Yeah, bro. Pop that shit, nigga.
Oh, look at the red gloves.
I can't believe it. Where Marty at?
All right, guy. Come on. Reaction.
Who got the Benz, man?
This shit so
You got the Benz?
hard, bro.
Benz gang. I see you, my boy. You don't want me to put the popcorn machine on you, though, right?
Nah,
Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone.
Don't do it, bro.
I'm gonna leave you alone, man.
Oh,
Dude, I can't believe you won this thing.
I
Oh
can't
my
believe
God.
that.
Nice to meet y'all, man. Mark, it's a pleasure, Joe. Mark, it's a pleasure.
Marty's all right, man.
Who?
Hello, how you doing?
In reports? In reports?
Okay.
Y'all still ain't
Want
gonna
to say something about that? With
be
CJ?
I'm speechless.
You got the crib.
Yeah,
I did you on that one.
so happy about that.
It's random.
Man, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know how to express myself right now.
But it's getting there.
Barely breathe.
I know.
It's like it's some breath away.
I tell you, I had fun with it though for a minute, but had fun driving this one here. This is my favorite here. Get the BMW going, turning wheels. That's you? Yeah. You want to say something to CJ about that, bro?
Man, I couldn't believe this shit was real, man. I'm sorry about the cussing, but this is ridiculous, man. You know, bought a t-shirt, a couple raffles, win that. That's crazy. That is crazy.
This car crazy, bro.
Man.
You gotta look.
Man.
Hey, this boy really low. Let's take that. Open it.
Man, this something out of a movie.
Right? You gonna mess the year or something already?
Man, this is crazy.
You already put yours in Sport Plus? Yeah, you heard.
Boy. Get out,
Yeah.
Sorry about the cussing, man. This is crazy.
Let this one go.
No, this your shit. I want you to learn it. Don't do it right here.
Giveaway?
Can't believe it.
That's starting to snap for real.
This going for like.
This snap for real.
God damn, bro. Now people be saying all this scam, all that bullshit. If it's a scam, how come his close friends ain't win a car yet? You know what I'm saying? We gotta do it. It's fun. How come we ain't win a car yet? Hell yeah. He's got the best car. He got the best giveaways in the world. Don't nobody doing the Lamborghini, the Benz. These are top-notch cars. Yeah. He got the red interior. Yeah. Wait till you get that title, you get home, you go cruising.
Hey, Jeff, the dad said move this. Miguel said yes, move it.
Goodness gracious. Who won this guy right here? Who won this one? Oh, yeah, he in it already. He finna leave right now.
He didn't leave the group, man.
Dude, this car right here is so nasty. This car open, these doors open on their own, all type of stuff.
Go ahead and tell them about it, Marty.
Y'all already know, guys, the whole 32 gang know what's going on right here, man. This is changing lives right here. This is the best giveaways in the world. CJ just gave away a Lamborghini Urus, a GTC 3S, the top-notch big boy BMW. It don't get no better than this, guys. And y'all know he got something else going on right now, so make sure y'all go hit them links in them bios and go get entered for that shop32gang.com. Get y'all stuff, man. The Urus guy said he spent in total like $700 throughout the times he's been doing giveaways, and he finally hit. So you just don't know, guys. You just don't know. He don't even understand. He got that GTC. I'm about to go get the popcorn machine on him, guys. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the popcorn machine on him. Y'all know what's going on, but this guy, he want a spaceship. This is spaceship. Boy, congratulations.
Hey, bro. Come check this out.
All right, talk to me one more time.
This is some high technology right there. That's some crazy technology in there.
Last one.
Man, bro.
All right, go ahead and talk to me
I'm
one
gonna
more
put the
time.
popcorn machine on him, CJ.
What's going through your heart?
Never in my life would I would think of something like this. Man. This is like a futuristic, man, just technology like crazy.
But you can put a tune in there, and that's how you get the popcorn machine out.
$100 got this.
Man, congratulations.
T-shirt, free raffles. We in there. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Man.
I bought this hoodie.
I ain't gonna lie, this was a crazy one.
This shiesty ski mask that I don't wear out the house. And And I bought a wallpaper, like $25 wallpaper. I can't believe it, bro. Like, I'm still shocked right now seeing this stuff, bro. I'm still shocked.
Everybody probably gonna be bummed.
That's what we saying.
All the
about
folks
that.
be saying the magic stuff is scam is not a scam. This is wild, bro.
Yes, sir.
Probably gotta shut both doors. Probably gotta be in the car with both doors shut. That's probably what it is.
I wasn't gonna try. Jared.
Anything else, man?
Shout out to the 32 gang, oh God.
Yes,
Couldn't have
sir.
did it without him, man. Man, yup. Man.
Yeah, appreciate
Shout
it.
out to the 32 gang. Put
Appreciate
God
it.
first, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
This shit real, cuz.
Real good.
Yeah, man.
Man, say, bro. Hey, y'all ever sat in the lounge? You ever sat in the lounge?
Yeah, he said come sit.
You ever sat in the lounge? We settle well, 32 gang forever.
We're gonna go to the L shop, take our photos, get all these titles, and it's a wrap. It's a wrap, guys. Giveaway 39. About to go to L shop, pass out these titles, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. It's time, man, to get these guys these titles and wrap it up. Giveaway 39 is in the books. This could be you. You could be right here with me, but you ain't take that chance. You probably spent $10 on something worse than taking a chance, man. It's all about taking a risk. Matter of fact, I don't know how much these guys spent, but I've heard people asking them. But I'm gonna ask them right now. Lil bro is going crazy. He ready to get back to Baton Rouge. Hey, how much you spent? $700. How much you spent?
Like 140.
How much they want to see? I still got the.
He just bought the t-shirt.
I still got my what's the name? My
What you got?
email.
Hold on.
They
You
want to
got
see the
your
email?
what?
He got his emails.
He got his emails. Yeah.
Let me park right here. Once I got y'all.
He in there learning the BMW.
This one has
How much you spent?
Me?
Yeah,
Like $100.
$100.
T-shirt, and then the rest is like raffle tickets.
Yep. So it don't matter. You can spend $700 or $100. See?
Yeah, Christmas.
Bro said he got his paperwork. We got the real paperwork right
He's
here.
finna kill all that this video.
And then this one too, like this one come out more. It's like you gotta
Y'all got that one running or y'all turned it off? It's still running? Yeah, let that one run for a little bit, cause that one. What you got for me, man? Email.
Yeah. It's different shit. A lot of the newer cars are doing that shit.
Can I see my purchases on the website? Like your
They should send it to your Gmail. Like once you buy it, they say your order complete. They show it on there.
I got them going. I got all of them. This is wild, bro. I cannot believe this shit. I cannot believe this shit. I've been watching so long.
You gonna have a good drive back, all y'all. Who you brought with you? Oh, that's your mom right there? Wait, where your mom? They making Miles drive back in the. She ain't driving in the lab. She driving back in the rental car, man. He out of control. His
Gotta
ass
get them
fired.
stocks back.
That's your mom right there. OG, they sending you back in the truck, right? That's what they owe. They sending you back in the truck. So you supposed to drive the lamb chops back. What's wrong with you?
Say hey to my friend. Oh, wait, we gotta be able to see it.
Just saying. Y'all know that accent. What's up?
And like I said, when you drive it back,
Yep.
see, you got some good tires on there. So when you drive it back, you be straight. You gotta watch out from the top.
Yep.
You too. I got some followers, boy. Don't be afraid. Yeah, it's fun.
Hold on, CJ.
Don't be
Like
afraid.
the business.
They
They gonna tell me he said it, but he ain't show it.
He said what?
Here you go, right here. Subscription activated.
Oh, you got a subscription too?
Yeah, order number. Wait, they can see that? I hope so.
They can see that. We don't got. We
Look,
16
another
in.
one.
We don't got point on points. Yeah.
Ain't no way.
Y'all want me to take a picture? You want me to take a picture? You gonna do a selfie?
Yeah, take the picture. I ain't want my eyes.
Wipe her camera. She's talking about I ain't need that. I'm over
I don't know nothing about it.
there. Know nothing about it, that Louisiana accent. She about it, rowdy.
It's out.
Hello. Hold on, I'm trying to wait for the camera to load.
I let 13 that now. Like you don't know how to work it. Oh.
No.
Man, you gotta watch this guy.
No, sir. No, I ain't saying nothing to my phone. Let me do one more. All right, looks like we got it.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Pull it up.
Where we going up to? Man, y'all ready? What's up, bro? This your brother? Wait, who? Oh, he with you. I keep getting confused. Shit, they ass kind of looking like shit.
Will wants money. I have to wait from that camera.
You gotta get even. I mean, man, come on, bro. Turn to your left. No, your left. Yeah, go back. Right straight. Over. Oh, ass is over there.
Process.
Let's go ahead. Y'all get on the road and get back. Jerry. Oh, yeah.
Try straighten out the
I'm gonna
wheel.
give out the titles, but before they leave, we gotta get the plates and make sure everything out the car.
Yes, sir.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, this is the nastiest one, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't been excited for it so long, bro.
I called
When
this
you
my
called
$500
me,
million giveaway, right?
Yeah.
Anybody called me, bro, I was like, bitch, CJ.
You ain't answered the first time, did you?
Man, I thought
Thought
I thought it was somebody else.
Yeah, I said that.
No, I thought it was one of my partners.
No, I said that.
He said,
And he like me, he ain't gonna answer that. We can't,
nah.
if it ain't the number I don't know, I ain't answering that.
when this one gave it away, like, when I did go to my phone, I saw it said Corey Jones.
Okay,
I saw 815. I'm like,
Yeah, he like, oh hell no. He said he got left with this one at the end. I said, yeah, you got blessed.
I was
Yeah.
third place.
But this newer, right? 21? Yeah, newer than ours, shit.
I don't know how to
Mine
do nothing in
92.
this motherfucker. I don't know how to do nothing in this motherfucker. Marvin,
Oh,
they
hey,
showed
everything.
Bro don't even know how to put this shit in drive
Hey,
yet.
hey, bro, the lamb chops was in Corso mode, bro.
Oh, he was?
Yeah, I had to take him out of it. Hey, he was pressing the gas. I'm like, wait, the engine sound kind of weird. I go over there here in Corso mode.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh no.
He gotta pull it down
Yeah,
once
yeah.
or twice.
Yeah. I put him in sport, yeah. Yeah, that's how fast. Yeah.
Alright. This is the final to seal the deal.
That's why I tell y'all, get real. This right, get real right here. Titles come out.
Titles come out, man.
Pink slips.
Y'all already know what's up. Y'all know what's ready for all that. 19 Lamb, 21 Mercedes, 23 BMW 765. Yes, sir. Alright, man. We're gonna do you first. Check the VIN number. The number's right there. Come on.
Yup, go check the VIN. Y'all gonna really get a smile back right here.
Yes, sir. Hold on. We getting the little girl ass.
Say the best for last.
Your VIN number.
Congratulations, my boy. Congratulations.
You coming? Alright.
Hey, I just want to let them tell me how to act. I ain't never had, hey, huh?
That's you. Let's go check the VIN. Come on, man. Right here, bro. Let's go. Right here.
You gonna say, put my car inside the club. Put my inside the club.
Say,
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. We gotta teach you to put it in the sports mode, man. You got the sports mode, bro. I'm like,
You don't even know how to do
My man don't want a Lambo. He want a Lambo. He don't even know how to drive.
27 years old, want to learn. I better get y'all tickets.
All right, guys, now we're gonna get these pictures and send to everybody on their way. Definitely appreciate y'all for tuning in. Giveaway 40 is live. This could be you right here with me. Y'all see the joy, y'all see the happiness. Best feeling, best thing in the world right here, man. It's giving away the cars, actually, than me buying the cars. Because I done had everything. So, you know, now I just do it just to do it. But this shit right here is everything. Everybody happy, smiling, going crazy. And, you know, it is what it is, man. Hey, but I gotta go. This your boy, CJ on 32s. Checking out with another video. I'm out, man.